Alright guys, simple little trick. Check this out. WD-40, a rag, dirty rag, clean rag, doesn't matter. All this dust, debris, you never want to power wash, but it's amazing what this bad boy can do. Take this, spray this here, there, wherever you like, and check out. Oh, you know what? This is a good spot right here. So spray this all over, wherever you like, and you take your rag. Look at that. Look at that. Check out difference here. Check out the difference. Look at this. Look at the difference. Before, after. It's amazing what WD-40 can do. Thank you for watching, guys. You never want to throw water on your car. Just take a WD-40. You can shoot it onto the rag and wipe anything down. Any electronic, you don't want to spray directly on it. Like these coil packs, I would not spray on top of that. But you can wipe them just like that to make them look nice and clean, okay? Same thing all over, okay? Wherever you like, and make your car look nice and great and keep it nice and simple. So that is the power of this WD-40. There you go.